Hey there, everybody. How's it going? Welcome to Scraps, cooking show about making dinner or any kind of meal you want based on whatever you have in your house, in your pantry, and whatever you got going bad in the refrigerator. So today I wanted to make some Puttanesca pasta. So we've got here asparagus. I just happened to see some asparagus in the fridge, so I might as well take a few of those guys. As here's about a half a can of tomatoes. I have sardines. Traditionally this recipe is done with anchovies, but you know I don't have any anchovies. But a can of tuna would work. Maybe not the same kind of concept, but close enough. Use what you have. So I got these sardines. They're packed in olive oil, so I'm going to strain that off too. I got some dried parsley. We got some olives here. I forget what type these are, but they're not Kalamatas. They're something else. They're really tiny and they're tart and they're a little bit sweet. They're good. Some shallot and some garlic. And then the last thing, over here, chili flakes, obviously, of course, for a little added heat. And this last ingredient here, is chickpea liquid. So it's garbanzo bean liquid. It's aquafaba is what they call it. It's great for stews and pasta sauces, and I mean we can use the starchy pasta water, of course, as well. Also back here I got my salted pasta water, and first thing I'm gonna do is drop my spaghetti. Looks like pickup sticks over here. Let's bash up some garlic, so get some garlic cloves. If you have garlic powder, minced garlic already pre-made in a jar, sure, why not? Do all of those things. If you don't like garlic, you know, that's fine. Just don't put it in there. Make sure our spaghetti's not sticking together. So our pan's starting to get hot. We're gonna throw some olive oil, or really what you want is a neutral oil. So like pure olive oil is okay, but don't use extra virgin olive oil. Smoking point is not the same, and it's not gonna be able to handle the heat, and you might have some flare-ups and smoke, and we don't want any of that. So I use a mixture of grapeseed oil, different blends, but grapeseed oil is a good one. It can handle the heat, and a little bit of olive oil in there as well. So let's fry up our sardines. Just break them up a little bit with your spoon. They'll flake naturally with all these other ingredients too. I want to infuse a little bit of that oil with the sardine flavor. And shallots and our garlic can go in now. Give it a nice shake. Make sure the fish don't stick. I'm also going to throw in our asparagus. Get those a little bit crisp. A little extra virgin olive oil now at this point, because it's almost done here. And then we'll add some of our chili flakes. And next we'll throw in some more tomatoes here. And throw it all in. Oh yeah, that's starting to smell real good. Throw in our olives and then our parsley. Woo. Another good vegetable, if you happen to have it, that would be great in here is fennel. I love fennel. That anise flavor goes well in here. So we're gonna add all of our different liquids. We're having a liquid party. So this little olive brine here, what we're gonna do is deglaze with it real quick with the aquafaba. Make sure to keep that on high so that it's reducing. Got this nice bottle of wine. I think it would go nice with this. What are you supposed to do for it's seafood, but it's got tomatoes. So do you drink white? Do you drink red? I don't know. I'm gonna drink red because I like red, and that's the only wine I have. Don't have any white in the house. So, well, drink to your health, everyone, and I'll see you next time on Scrap.